Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Resin Creative. Today we will make a beautiful tray in silicone mold. So this tray will be with golden flakes and it will be navy blue with white. So look at how beautiful it is. So I pour in the middle mixed golden flakes with epoxy resin, and then I pour some white color. When I poured white color, I try don't mix with gold, and in the edges I pour navy blue colors. I try to divide navy blue color and white with golden flakes, so it will be divide these colors too. So before I pour the blue color, I make like a border between white and blue color. That blue color didn't mix with white. So I made a border with golden flakes. So golden flakes will divide blue color with white, and also golden flakes will be in the middle. So now I pour the blue color, navy blue. It looks so beautiful. So you see, I poured blue color and the border didn't help, so it goes everywhere. So I will try to fix it because I don't need to mix blue with white. So I will try to fix borders between the colors. I make like this. So the blue color covered all my borders, so I will fix it. Sometimes it happened. It's very difficult to control the resin because it is liquid. So look how you can fix if something goes wrong. So I of course remove the bubbles from the surface, so the surface should be completely without any bubbles. And I left the tray for some hours, and when the resin is still sticky, not dry but still sticky, I start to stick golden flakes. I want to make more beautiful borders, and I stick golden flakes in the middle, and also I will divide blue and white color by golden flakes. So I make it when it is still sticky but not dry. So look how I make it. So I made it in the middle, and now I will make border between white and blue. I didn't like how it mixed with white color, so we will fix this way. I leave the tray for 12 hours to completely dry, and after 12 hours I will pour the top coat. So I am making the top coat on the tray. I spread the resin around. And then when I poured the top, I also remove the bubbles and leave for next to 12 hours to dry. So when it is dried, I divide from mold, and also I screw handles. You know that I don't like put handles in the resin. I always screw them. Sometimes I make holes, sometimes my husband help me. So when I put the handles, I can color the edges. So be sure that your edges not Sharpie, and then you can cover them with golden pens. So I make all edges around with golden color. I also paint a line on the tray. It looks more beautiful when the tray has line on the surface. So I make line around the tray too. And in the end, you know that I screw handles, so the screws can scratch the table. So that's why I use silicone dots, like dot legs, and I order them on Amazon and just stick them. They should be not big, just a little dots, and it makes the tray so soft on the table, and screws cannot scratch the table. So the tray is completely ready. At the same time, I also made it is L size, and I also made XL size. I liked XL size the most of all. Look at how beautiful it is. It is XL size. So thank you that you watch my video.